Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel IT Guy AK. Today we will discuss about Windows system slowness issue and we will also look into that how to resolve them. Mainly there are two reasons for Windows system slowness. First is hardware issue and second one is software issue. So to resolve these issues, I will show you some simple and advanced level steps to improve your system performance. We will use inbuilt feature of Windows system and some third-party tools to resolve these issues. So first we will look into software causes and solution for them. Let's start. The very first and very common issue is temp and cache files creation in Windows operating system. You have to delete these files time to time so they will not impact your system performance. If you do a lot of work on your system, please do regularly clean these files every week. Just click Window plus R button and type temp TEMP and then press enter. Now a new window will appear on your screen. Just press Ctrl plus Alt key from your keyboard and hit the delete key to delete all the files. If you get an error prompt, just click on skip to continue and this way most of the files will clear and then close the windows. Again press Window plus R button and type prefetch PREFETCH and hit enter. A new window will open. Just press Ctrl plus A and hit delete key to delete all the files. You can delete temp files from your user home folder. Just press Window plus R, type ampersand temp ampersand and then hit enter. Your local home user cache folder will open and just Ctrl plus Alt to delete all the files. Skip if asked, that's it. You can also delete your temp files by using inbuilt utility called Ccleaner. Run this as shown and select your Windows drive, then click OK. It will scan your drive for temp files. Then click on checkboxes and again click OK and delete them. It will clear all the cache files including your browser cache files. If you had a lot of temp files in your Windows system, you will see some improvements after deleting these files. Next, move on to second solution to improve system performance. Commonly, your Windows installed in C drive, so make sure there is enough space in that drive where you have installed Windows. Please maintain 2 to 5 GB at least in that drive so Windows can work smoothly. Move to our next solution to improve system performance. Sometimes our system is infected with some viruses and it will make our system very slow. So we need a good antivirus to scan our system. There are many popular antivirus programs available in the market. You can choose according to your choice or your budget. If you don't want to purchase them, don't worry, you have a default Windows Defender antivirus application in your Windows operating system. Move on to our next solution to improve system performance is delete unused profiles. Mainly it happens to domain systems where anyone can log in into system with his credentials. To delete them, just click start, then right click on computers and go to properties. Then click advanced system setting. Under advanced tab, click on setting under user profile option and delete unwanted or unused profiles from your system, but be aware it will delete all the data from that profile. Move on to our next solution to improve system performance is disk defragmentation utility. Defragmentation arranges your data in such a manner so it will be accessed quickly and fast. For this, click on Start button from your window, type disk defragmenter. You will see the icon. Just click on it, select the drive which you want to defragment, and here you can also schedule to defragment your disk. It will increase your system performance. Move on to next. Choose performance mode. To change the performance mode, just click on start button, then right click on my computer and click on properties, then click on advanced system setting in a new windows. Here under the advanced tab, click setting option of performance. Click on the radio button of adjust for best performance option. Click on apply and it will disable all the graphical enhancement of your Windows operating system, and this way you can improve your system performance. Move on to next solution is last known good configuration. For this, restart your system and press F8 key. You will get a window of advanced boot menu. Here just click on last known good configuration option and hit enter. Move on to our next solution is control auto running apps. There are many apps running on the background of your system. Some of these are not required at all. You can disable them for your next Windows boot up. Open run window by click window plus R button, type msconfig, hit enter. Go to Startup tab and uncheck those applications which you don't want to auto start on your next reboot. Here you can also disable the auto start services which are not required on system startup. Just hide Windows services by clicking hide Microsoft services checkbox and uncheck unnecessary services which are not required at system startup. Click on apply and then reboot your system. It will also improve your system performance. Move on to our next solution is uninstallation of unnecessary programs from your system. For this, open Runbox by typing window plus R button, then type appwiz.cpl and hit enter. And here you will uninstall unnecessary application which you never used or not required. It will also improve your system performance. Move on to our next solution is increase the cache memory of your Windows operating system. For this, go to advanced system settings as we go earlier, and after that go to setting of performance option. Then click on advanced tab. Under the virtual memory option, click on change. You can manage your virtual memory for your system. By default, system manage it by itself, but if you are required more virtual memory to hold your running program in your system, you can put value in custom size as much you required. So this way you can increase the cache memory for your system and improve the system performance. Now move on to hardware issues. There are two possible reasons of system slowness due to hardware issue. The first one is faulty hard disk. The second is not enough RAM in your system. Sometimes there is a problem with your hard disk and you have to diagnose your hard disk. In present time, almost every computer manufacturer provides an inbuilt utility to check your system hardware health and status. You can run this utility to diagnose your system hardware. Please note here, different manufacturers have specified different function keys to run this utility. You have to check with official site of your manufacturers or just Google it. There is an inbuilt command utility to fix or recover your system hard disk bad sector. This command runs as system administrator for command prompt. If the inbuilt utility has not been found, you can use third-party tools like Hiren CDs or Rescue Disks. Download these ISO images and make a bootable USB drive and scan your system hardware. If you have checked your hard disk and the result is good, then there is a last option we had left, and that is add more RAM to your system. Yes, you need to add more RAM to your system. To check the system current RAM consumption, right click on your Windows taskbar and click on the Start Task Manager option. Go to Performance tab and check how much RAM is consumed by your system, and then consider RAM purchase as required. So these are some solutions to increase or boost up your system performance. Thanks for now. Please like, share and subscribe.